2019 Skoda Pickup Truck, 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck Concept, 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck Rumors, New Cars Buy. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Skoda brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck, 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck Concept, 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck Rumors, New Cars Buy. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck, 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck Concept, 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck Rumors, New Cars Buy. After the good response on the mid-size Kodiaq SUV and equally welcomed compact Amarok, the things are developing well for the Czech car maker. This brand also hinted the arrival of the new baby SUV previewed recently by the Vision X concept. However, Skoda also confirmed it is also exploring another lucrative segment of the car industry. Yes, the SUVs are dominating the industry but the pickup truck market is also expanding rapidly and Skoda admitted it keeps the eye on this opportunity. However, the brand doesn't promise its pickup truck in the near future and it can even remain the matter of consideration. So, Skoda will continue analyzing this opportunity and will need time to make the decision. The brand can even launch the concept vehicle to feel the pulse of the market. In that context, some speculations already appeared about the possible design of Skoda's truck. Let's see how this truck could look if appear as the 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck. 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck, possible design. If Skoda makes the decision to go with the pickup truck version, it won't likely design it from the ground up. Like the Mercedes uses the underpinning of the Navara pickup for its X-Class and like the Kodiaq SUV exploits VW's platform, Skoda will likely cut the development process and cost with the usage of VW's Amarok underpinning. The Amarok was recently refreshed and presents one of the best options in the mid-size segment. On the other hand, if Skoda's truck appears as the 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck it will surely use the same design language as the popular Kodiaq midsize SUV and brand's recent models. So, on the top of Amarok's platform, Skoda would have the front-end design similar to the Kodiaq SUV including the grille and headlight style. The side body sculpting would also be similar to brand's midsize SUV. The rear end will adopt midsize cargo bed and the truck would likely use the four-door cab design only. Interior, equipment. Inside the cabin, Skoda's truck would have similar dash design as the Kodiaq SUV and would offer similar equipment. The truck would include modern infotainment system with the large center touchscreen and smartphone features. Skoda would also offer the safety suite of active driver aids which are also present in the midsize Kodiaq. There would also be luxury comfort and convenience options and different interior and exterior themes. 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck, power options. When it comes to what engines options the 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck would use, Skoda would likely borrow from VW's part bin. The Amarok's V6 turbo diesel is capable and efficient engine available in several variants and could be the solution for Skoda's potential truck. Skoda also uses the 2.0-liter turbo 4 petrol and powerful diesel engines in the Kodiaq SUV. Some of them could also be under the hood of the Skoda truck. For the transmission options, Skoda would offer manual and DSG automatic units. There will be 2 and all-wheel drive setups and Skoda might also offer the off-road focused version. 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck, release date. Skoda is still exploring the pickup truck market and how would the brand benefit from this version. So, the 2019 Skoda Pickup Truck is still far from the reality and might remain the matter of consideration only. Thanks.